Hey crypto enthusiasts, welcome back to our channel. Today we've got some exciting news for you. The crypto market is gearing up for massive growth in 2024, and we've identified 7 cryptocurrencies under $5 that could potentially explode in value. Stick around to find out more about these hidden gems and why they could be your ticket to significant gains this year. First up, we have Mania, a unique gaming ecosystem backed by an award-winning developer crew. In this evolving crypto landscape, Mania is positioned to ride the wave of innovation. With features like DAO governance and a long-term vision, ScapesMania could be the next big thing in crypto. Find out why you should join the pre-sale now for a chance to benefit with Mania. Next on our list is Dogecoin, charting a path beyond Elon Musk's influence. Despite its meme-based origins, Dogecoin is striving for a more stable market presence. We'll explore recent developments, price predictions, and whether Dogecoin can transcend its internet notoriety to embrace tangible value. Apecoin is at the forefront of an exhilarating initiative with ApeChain, a bold play that could amp up the Apecoin network like never before. Discover the projected price range for Apecoin in 2024 and how it's mirroring its expanding ecosystem and rising utility. SUI is making waves in the DeFi sector, witnessing a significant increase in total value locked (TVL). Learn about its performance, collaborations, and potential value increase in 2024. Can SUI navigate the tricky waters of the crowded blockchain landscape and maintain its surge? Now, let's shine a spotlight on emerging cryptocurrencies: Kava, SEI, FTM, and IOTA. These promising digital assets are quietly carving out their niches and showing potential for substantial growth. We'll delve into their unique features and what makes them worth paying close attention to. In conclusion, with a bullish wave on the horizon, the crypto market is set to surge, and certain cryptocurrencies under $5 are emerging as potential investments with significant value growth in 2024. From Dogecoin's evolution to Apecoin leading the charge and SUI navigating DeFi, these cryptos could be your ticket to success in the ever-shifting game of crypto. Make sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more crypto updates, and hit the notification bell to stay informed about the latest trends. As always, do your own research before making any investment decisions. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next video.